I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another, the same, just another banger video, man. As you see, I'm linking up with Josh. He's back out here again. Car is slow as shit. I'm doing U-turn. But yeah, I'm linking up with Josh right now. These cars almost crashed. Yeah, this car is finna crash over here. But yeah, man, I'm linking with Josh right now. He just got his AMG GT wrapped out here. So I thought that'd be a good idea to go check it out, man. So I'm pulling up to where he's at. I don't know where the hell he's at, but somewhere out here. Oh, somewhere. Oh, okay. I'm pulling up right now. So, the gist. Ooh, he's out here right now. Yeah, I like that. That's cold. Damn, and he got the C8 to match it. Damn, shit. This is.
Oh yeah,
that's
you don't
funny.
forget the back.
That's funny right there. That's funny. That is funny.
Look under the wing.
You like that? Hell.
You like that?
Hey, you like that? You like that?
You like that?
This is cold. I'm walking like this. This is.
I like that. You
This-
like that? Who like that? 077 was that?
That's the race number.
Dougie.
That's the race number. My race number. 77.
What about that road?
I never watched it. It's mine.
What about 12? What about 12?
Damn.
What's that?
What about 20%?
I have no clue.
20%?
I'm 7.
D365?
I'm 25.8.
D366? Leap year?
Oh shit, you're crazy.
No.
He's crazy. I don't know, man.
You on Pluto?
I'm on Mars.
Pluto? Let's
You-
go to Pluto.
Let's go to Pluto.
It's outside the system, Dougie.
You dropped your lotion.
Drop who?
You dropped your lotion.
That ain't lotion.
What is that?
You got the potion.
Is that lube?
You got the potion. Now,
Nah.
we ain't nothing but in the groove. Come on, Dougie.
I don't know what's going on over here, but
SLR?
huh?
SLR?
That's his. He rich.
SLR, SLS?
It's a GT.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But
yeah.
MFR kit.
Here,
What's the MFR kit?
Hey, hey, guy, are you German?
I am. I'm a Schaefer. Yes. Whoa, what's up?
Are you 100% from Germany?
No.
Second generation?
No.
Third generation?
Oh, I can't count. Great. But I do drive
Jeremy talks about the LSR. Come on, guy.
SLR, not LR.
Whatever the fuck you get, it's all wrong.
I bought my first Mercedes when I was 28.
9!
And I drive an SL.
What's going on?
Auf Wiedersehen. Schlaf gut.
You guys have a good day.
Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Adios, motherfucker. Vaya con Dios,
Oh
cocksucker.
damn. What's going on here, man? I don't know what's going on, but
I just don't like racist white people.
I don't think he's racist.
Oh, you don't?
Oh, there you are.
No, I don't think he's racist.
I knew you guys.
Your name Ian?
Why
My name is not Ian.
do you think he's racist?
Who?
You said you don't like racist white people.
I don't.
Why do you think he's racist?
I didn't say that.
You just said
No,
I don't
this
like
dude.
racist
That's what I said.
white people.
Is he calling me that?
I didn't say
Dude, I was married
Yeah, my video.
to a Mexican for 22 years,
Yeah, why do you think he's racist?
to a Vietnamese for 6 years, and I've been with a Mexican for 3 years. So
That's
only
it.
know-
I like those. Mexicans my favorite, and Asians. I like those.
Why is that?
How many? Woo! Yeah, you're a smart man.
You know who I got married to?
Yourself.
My family.
That's funny. But anyways, yeah. This is. I'm trying to go start the video, but this is the hardest AMG GT. This is cold. This really is cold though.
Yeah, I told
Damn.
you it's really good.
It's like it's really one of the pieces where like you gotta like actually see it in person to like really like
Yeah.
enjoy it. Like photos and shit, it still be dope, but it's like, yeah, cause like this gray remind me of like the factory, like the that Mercedes like gray color.
Yeah. Without the
Damn.
problems.
Yeah, exactly.
He just got the new AMG GT, the 4-door,
Oh shit.
and he got a scratch on it.
Oh
And
damn.
it's matte. So, you know, with that,
Yeah, matte.
You gotta resurface the whole thing.
Fuck. This is cold though. 70. Yeah, it's race number 77. I'm gonna assume.
He said
Shell.
that's his lucky number.
That's crazy. Mine's 7. That's ain't that some shit? Not from China, sir. But I gotta catch this cold start. That's what I do need to do. That is funny. Damn. That's loud. Oh shit. Drop the can. That sounds good. It's actually loud. That shit is loud. So I never heard the pops in person.
Yeah, it's loud as ever in person.
So wait, is that in comfort?
Huh?
Is that in comfort?
No, it's Sport Plus. And
Damn.
That's not even, that's just pops. You should hear the plane pops. Look, I'll do it right here.
That's crazy. That's super loud.
Just stay behind. You might see a plane.
Should be opening up my sunroof. Shoot. That's crazy. That's super loud. Is it a cop behind this? No, it is not. That thing's super loud. But, you know, get the wallpaper behind. Damn! That's crazy! Damn! That's crazy. But you guys haven't know, I am still in the workout diet and all that. I'm still doing it strong, but yeah, this is my new this is my dinner. I've been drinking this all day for pretty much breakfast and lunch. But there's McDonald's right there. And yeah, Josh's car is super loud, man. It's like crazy loud. But we're pulling up to the Shell right now to do this first part of his shoot. Ooh, what is that? That sounds good. But yeah, we just pulled up to Chevron. Shell, actually, Shell. I keep saying Shell because I use Chevron, so I keep saying Chevron. But yeah, just pulled up here to do the first part because obviously he has a Shell logo on his car. So I'm gonna park my car in the cut and let him park right here in the middle. Y'all, look. So when he reverses, there's a light over both his exhaust tips that light up for the reverse. Like that is cold. That's hard. Damn, that is really hard. So I'm gonna give y'all a better look of the reverse lights. That is hard. Fuck it. All right, for sure. All right, for sure. Y'all drive safe.
All right, man.
Ooh. Time to catch this plane ride to Minnesota, man, because DJ, you know, he got his fight going on in 2 days. So yeah, shout out to DJ. It's actually his birthday today, so DJ, I doubt you're watching, but happy birthday, brother. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't telling him happy birthday. I just realized it was his birthday, so stall me. I'm gonna tell him right now, so I don't want to hear nothing. But yeah, man, Josh got a new rap. That shit is fire. They about to go to with their boys, and I'm finna go with my boys. So you see, we got the C8 right here, marble wraps over here. I'll let you go. Marble wrap over here. We got a lot of BMWs over here. We got an i8 right there. Another BMW. I think that's an M4 behind me, and then he got a M4 front. There's a lot of BMWs, man. But yeah, shout out to everybody. I'm finna go catch this plane ride. I'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm not gonna lie, Orange County is definitely full of weirdos. I'm not gonna, what number am I? I am number, my lights is not even orange, but camera's definitely bright as hell right now. I'm number 6. I can turn down my brightness. A lot of weirdos out here. And my car is filthy. Haven't washed my car in months. But while I'm getting gas right now, one thing I have realized about doing YouTube is, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty weird on how a lot of people mainly watch everything that's negative. But when I post a GTR, not a lot of people watch. But if they see my car is broken, I crashed something, I'm going broke, then a lot of people are watching. So yeah, man, that's probably one of the most negative things about doing YouTube is, if you want to start YouTube, you're gonna have to understand that people are going to tune in more when there's something negative compared to if there's something positive.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in us. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step a